Well, this is Martin. You know me from my series, How to Pay Off Your Car Loan in 36 Months Without Giving Up Starbucks or Being Cheap. You've probably been watching my other series, $5,970, how I paid off my car in like 6 months. It's like paying at least $700-800. Or you've been watching how I paid off my student loan. It was originally $93,000 in 2013. Now, as of today, I've got it down to $32,789. And next month, I'll get it down to $31,789. And so far, I'll find out if my Saturday job has been canceled. I haven't heard anything, but I went by Cabazon, so I figure if they close the casinos and everything, I'm sure they'll close the malls. So I'm just getting ready. And so what do you guys think? I went to Aldi's today. You know what? I actually found stuff, man. I was like, is that meat? I told the lady, whatever you do at Aldi though, don't buy the leg meat. Make sure you buy the real chicken thighs, chicken legs. Just don't buy the pieces. Just like, cause I don't know what it is, but just don't buy it. That's the only thing I wouldn't buy at Aldi. So I was there and this one lady's in front of me. She's like, you know, they just buying stuff. And then I go outside. She's getting her X1 BMW. I was like, yeah, I gotta stretch the food. I think she even lives in my apartment complex. And I saw another guy, he had like a whole thing of food and stuff. And I just like, I mean, just makes you wonder, what kind of mentality does this person have at home, you know? What I like about this crisis, because it's helping you feel like, showing you like what people truly are made of. Sometimes like this generation, in 2008, we found out what it was made of. You know, people went into foreclosures. Like for example, look over there. There's a house. The house has been sitting vacant for about 2 or 3 years. The grasses grew up, and every so often the city will come out and cut the grass. But you know, there's gonna be a lot that cut. You know that house over there? You know, it may look out of place now, but soon it's gonna have a lot of company, I think. Because you know what? All these people that are hoarding, they ain't gonna have no jobs. Ain't nobody gonna hire them. I mean, basically you're looking at, unfortunately, I'm looking at a low-end service worker, probably first, last hire. You know, the first hired, last fired, or I don't know. Last hired, first fired, or something. But you know, I bet you they fall into that range, you know. And you ask them, hey, could you like do a little bit more for me? Oh, I don't have time, or I don't feel good. Probably always an excuse. Those are the ones who are lining up early in the morning to buy bread, buy everything up, and then they'll probably turn around and try to go on eBay, gonna sell you some shit paper for $50. You can take that shit paper and eat it. I'll wipe with my hand and then wash it off. You know, and then they buy it up all the water. What are you gonna do with paper, sanitizer? I mean, just, you know, people are just nasty. They think, hey man, this is the time for us to profit, man, because we don't wash our hands, and so we just nasty anyway. So let's just sell what we got. Let's see if I can't make a profit. No, low-end worker. That's not how it works. The reason why I tell you guys to have extra money, because you're going to go through these type of periods. And when you hit these type of periods, this is when I want you to work on your people skills. Do like me. As soon as I get home, I'm going to learn how different types of cold calling. I'm at the park. Well, it's not 24-hour fitness, but it's going to have to do for a while. So, you know, just come to the park, exercise, and self-quarantine, whatever the hell that's supposed to mean. I mean, hey, why don't you just get all the nasty people? Like, let me ask you a question. You got all these homeless people who were probably got from the 2008 recession, where we asked them, hey, can you just work this job for a little less till we get going? Oh, no, man, Obama gonna give me some money, so I'm not gonna work myself. I'm not gonna do this extra work. So now they all act, how nasty are they? And then, like, I'm just saying that, are they self-quarantining? What are you gonna do for them? You're gonna like pass a bill to make them stay in my house? Hey, if it was up to the Democrats, trust me, they will do it. And have you, like, I was listening to someone today talk. Have you heard Biden, Sanders, Democrat? Do they even exist? That's why I talk about money gets you out of obscurity. Like, hey, you can go to the Starbucks store, buy you something. Leave $1 or $2 tip, and then that person will remember, say, hey, you know, I used to work as a bartender, I used to work as a waiter. It's good to get that extra $10 or $15 lift at the end of the shift instead of just waiting for my check. That stuff helps out. Look at what's going on in LA, man. All the bars are closed, restaurants are closed. They ain't getting no lift. The only lift they're getting, maybe the guy goes home and get a lift. I don't know what kind of a lift the woman gets. Maybe you tell them, maybe lift this or something. But you know, they ain't doing nothing right now. So I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like, leave a tip, man. Leave $1 tip. Leave like this a tip. You know, one thing I've noticed: women are the worst tippers, man. They don't need these other women. Especially if the woman across the way is looking good. They just like, you got the one who's across working, and you got a big overweight lady. Don't give her nothing, man. They pull out their little phones and however you do it. I haven't done it yet. The Apple Pay and stuff. Walk out. You know, like damn well that lady's probably husband, as soon as she get home, pap, husband knocks her ass upside the head and stuff. Probably has 3 or 4 kids. Treat that young girl right, man. You know your husband's whooping your ass. Be happy this girl is working. So she's gonna end up like you with some convict guy. You like living in the inner city somewhere. He's driving a Charger and you guys living across from a park with the homeless person. Thinking, I got it going on. No, you don't have it going on. That's why I keep telling you, divorce rate, it's 35%. I don't know. What was it? Oh, I told you guys before, the divorce rate was 47% in 2019. Well, I think at the end of 2020, I think that divorce rate is going to hop up. What do you guys think of? What do you got? Comment, subscribe, like. Comment, subscribe, like. I'm thinking about probably hit up 54, 55. Because as I told you, the biggest ones that are going to divorce are like the ones who are in their 50s, 55, 60s, still married. I tell you, the women don't want like that. They don't want the masculine guy anymore. He's like a dinosaur. You don't need a muscle guy. Like I go to the gym and I wonder, what happened to that one muscle guy and his girlfriend? She probably dumped him, or he caught her sleeping with someone. He went all Hulk. Either the guy had to pat. Or he's sitting in county somewhere, like, I thought she loved me, man. I have all the muscles. I was like, no, Hulk is only for the movies. And, well, at least, so, like I say, and then girls want, like, a guy who listens, little twink, a little bi, a little gay. They don't want an aggressive guy anymore. They make enough money. They don't need nobody to protect them. After that 2008 recession, like I told you, that got rid of anyone that was a contractor and stuff. It like makes it hard, especially now. Like I said, one thing I told you, watch my series on how to deal with the contractor. When you have a contractor, make sure you break up the payments in the interval. It's better for you and it's better for them. And make sure, hey, they don't get all the money up front and try to take that money and leverage it into a job where they get in over their heads, and then they don't pay you that money, and then they may try to come back at you with change orders and stuff. It just keeps them honest. Like, hey, why don't you hire another person? Or say, hey, that's great. Let's break this up in installments. Stick to the times that you say you're going to come to my house. Take that little money I'm having you, reinvest it, and go work for that guy after. But just don't get in over your head unless you're willing to hire someone to help. So that's why I did that kind of like little mini series on how to hire a contractor, because after we get through this recession, you know, a lot of people are going to have some housework they need done, so they're going to be looking for some contractors, I think. I mean, that depends on if the contractor going to have to sell all his tools and stuff, or he could possibly working now, but unfortunately, I'm going to work on a course to help a contractor. So martching2018@gmail.com. martching2018@gmail.com. Email me, man. I want to help you contractors, man. I want you to help you guys stop dropping your prices when the person says, oh, that's too much money. Instead you say, okay, let me drop it $50. Just say, hey, I agree, it is too much money. Would that keep you from moving forward now? And like, let's just get this thing done. You may pay a couple of more dollars, but the project's completed. So, or you can chop around. I just want to help, like, say, get this done so you can think about other things. Do you think that information will be powerful, man? And then if you like what you're hearing, what I'll do is I'll refer you to Grant Cardone, and you can work with him and see if you can get a sales package. Because if you're a contractor, you want to keep working. You're a salesman. You want to keep working on your sales skills all the time. And you'll get the money, but you got to invest. You got to invest in your sales skills like you invest in your tools, man. So that's what I want to try to do with the industry. Same as the dental. No one cares how much you advertise. I don't know who the hell you are. You can tell me you come from Timbuktu or you gone to USC. I don't give a damn, man. Why should I go do it? You know the reason a person's gonna do business with you. You gotta just hammer them, have them. Come on, man, give me the business. Give me the business. Give it just like a man trying to get laid with a girl. Give it to me, baby. 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 Shit, fine, motherfucker, take it, take it. Sick of hearing about you. You better hit, if you get it, you better hit it. You better make it. You better deliver. Otherwise, you ain't gonna get it again. So you know you gotta deliver, man. That's how you gotta be in business now. Follow up, hit it, come back, and then you gotta say, hey. Honey, who would you refer me to if we broke up? And then go out there and get you some more clients. But right now, unfortunately, you're going to get the worst of people. Like, I finally calmed down. I went there, got some supplies, you know. It's just like we're at war or something, man. People buying up shit. And like, you think like it's like, what is it? A Living Dead movie or something like that. So, just don't worry. Just stay calm. Work on your sales skills, work on your people skills. Go back and watch my series on how I talked about how I pay off my car loan in 36 months. Go back and watch how I talked to you about the student loan. Just go back, watch about how I told you to pay the small bills and then take that small meal money and apply them to the bigger bills. So go back, look, and then we'll get you to some paid programs. Yep, I want people to have paid programs. If you can pay me, I want to pay me to reinforce those skills. Or, hey, you can try to pick up what you can from here, go look to someone else, and then, hey, while you're doing that, if you don't score, you're gonna be on the street or try to take government assisted. I see you with your wick in line. You think you got it going on? Don't let that be you, man. It's gonna be plenty of opportunity, man. So go back, look at my videos. Subscribe, comment, share, like. Subscribe, comment, share, like, man. We're gonna get through this. So relax, go walk out like me, head home, relax, open the door, look at the sun. The sun will come up tomorrow.